Hey guys, what's up? Right now I'm at the water tower in Delft. From how the lady was explaining to me, she said this tower used to supply the entire Delft with water. The building is over 100 and something years old. You know, so I'm just giving you a little tour. I walk up some of the steps already, so I'm almost at the top. Let me just show you guys what's going on. Got a flat screen TV over here. I feel like if you want to come and you want to learn about the place, they would run a little thing on the screen and show the people a little history about the water tower in Delft. Got some cool artwork here. You know, some flyers, you know, it's a fridge, has some wine in there, a little kitchen area, you know what I'm saying? What else we got? Sink. Oh, okay, you got champagne glasses, chocolate, coffee machine, you know what I'm saying? Oh, you could go up some more. But let me go then. I have to hurry because this place closed at 5 o'clock. So I have 5 more minutes left. Okay. All right. Yeah, so I reached the top. I don't know if I could go outside. Yeah, I could go outside. So yeah, we're at the top of the water tower. In the background, it overlooking the whole Delft. You know what I'm saying? What a beautiful, beautiful sight. You know? Yeah. Look how beautiful it is, man. Thumbnail picture. Hey, representing St. Martin to Delft. Yeah, man. I like it. Good vibes. So, let me go back downstairs. Show you one more time. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Show your boy some love in the comments. You don't know DutchYardeezTV, we here. Going all over the world and show you what's going on, okay? Oh, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I gotta pull up my phone and take a picture for my people then on WhatsApp. You know? Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful vibes, beautiful lives, beautiful vibes. Okay then, time to go back downstairs. You know what I mean? Boom bam. So as I go downstairs, I'm gonna show you each floor has something going on. So there we go. I was here already. support your boy, Steve Chemont, aka DutchYardeezTV. On this floor, we have restrooms. You know what I mean? Clean and thing. You know what I mean? Boom bam. Check it out. Salute. And here you have. Is it locked? Yeah, it's locked. Yeah, this one is open. More bathrooms if you want privacy. This one could close too, so you know. So this is coming from the top to bottom. This would be the second floor. All right. A lot of steps, a lot of exercise, good for your calves, good for your legs, great cardio. Alright. Yeah, man. How you enjoying it so far? Let me know. On this floor you have a little conference room. You know what I'm saying? Some chairs, fridge, another coffee machine, flat screen TV. You know what I'm saying? Round table, looking spreff and thing. Fax copy machine. You don't know. Digital too. As I walk up to it, you don't see she come on already, like she got sensors. Alright. So you can keep it moving. You know what I mean? Gotta go, gotta go. You want to get locked up in here? Yeah. 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 Bye. Bye. We outside, and look how high she is. You know what a building shaped like? To me, it's shaped like a chess piece. You know what I mean? Like one of the chess pieces on the chessboard. So she looked like. Yeah. All right. Catch you on the next journey. See the locking up over there. All right. Good to go. Peace. See you later. Remember to subscribe. Support your boy. DutchYardeezTV. Raga.com. Over and out. We in Delft. What are you saying?
Hello.
Peace. Check you out.
Yeah,
Green everything, yeah. Sneakers, short pants, t-shirt, even the watch.
It's starting to match, no? Not
Wow.
really, but a little bit.
Everything green.
That's the kind of stuff. If you want intensity, then I